Do you want a faster way to browse through your photos without going back to the album? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a hidden gallery lab feature that adds a film strip with photo previews while you are viewing an image. Let me show you how. First, open the gallery app. Tap the menu button at the bottom right corner. Then tap setting. Scroll to the bottom and tap gallery labs. Scroll down to the One UI 3 section. And then enable Filmstrip in Viewer. Now close the gallery app completely, then open it again. This is required for the change to take effect. Next, open any photo. As you can see, a film strip appears at the bottom of the screen. The film strip shows previews of nearby photos, making it easy to find the one you want. Simply tap any thumbnail to instantly switch to that photo without returning to the album. This is especially useful when you are viewing a large photo collection. And that's how to enable film strip in Samsung Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.